Good morning students, welcome to online classes. We know that the greatest 3-digit number is 999. In the previous class we learned large numbers revision exercise. Today we start numbers behind 9999. 9999. We know that 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. If we add 1 to 999, we get 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. So it is the 4-digit number. So count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the 4-digit number. So this number is called 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. We add 1 to 1000, we get 1001. Again we add 1, we get 1002. Counting this manner, the last 4-digit number is 9999. It is the largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number. In the place value chart, the 4th place from the right is thousands place. For example, see the place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000. So the 4th place from the right is thousands place. Next, again we add 9999 plus 1, we get 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. So it is the 5-digit number. It is the 5-digit number. And also it is the smallest 5-digit number. So the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. In the place value chart, the 5th place from the right is the 10,000th place. Next, we add 1 to 10,000, we get 10,001. Then again add 1, we get 10,002. Counting this manner, the last 5-digit number is 99,999. 99,999. It is the greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. So the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Again add 1 to 99,999. We get the smallest 6-digit number, that is 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. It is the smallest 6-digit number. It is read as 1 lakh. It is read as 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. In the place value chart, the 6th place from the right is lakhs place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. The 6th place is the lakhs place. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Then again we add 1 to 1 lakh. Again we add 1 to 1 lakh. So what is the number? 1 lakh 1. Again add 1 lakh 2. The next number 1 lakh 2. Counting this manner, we get the last 6-digit number is 9,99,999. So it is the greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number. 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. The greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Then add 1 to 9,99,901. We get the answer 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry. 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 9 plus 1 10. So count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is the 7-digit number, that is 10 lakh. 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number. 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number. In the place value chart, the 7th place from the right is the 10 lakhs place. In the place value chart, the 7th place is the 10 lakhs place. So, dear students, look at the place value chart. So, the place value chart always reading from right side to left side. That is, first place is ones, second place is tens, third place is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. The place value chart is divided to 3 periods, that is, ones period, thousands period. Next one is lakhs period, and also crores period is there, but we 4th standard we study only 3 periods. The first period is ones period, second period is thousands period, third period is lakhs period. Ones period has 3 places. They are ones, tens, 100. Thousand period has 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. Lakhs period has 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh. This is the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So always the place value chart reading from right side to left side. The numbers are reading from left side to right side. For example, I given one number 3, 2, 5, 7, 6, 2, 1. Dear children, see the number. How to read this number? Always reading the numbers from highest period to lowest period. That is, lakh is the highest period, ones period is the smallest period. So always numbers are reading from highest period to lowest period. Then always reading the numbers periods together. That means lakh and 10 lakh are reading together, and 1000 and 10,000 are reading together. Then ones, tens, hundreds are reading together. So how to read this number? So 32 lakh. 32 lakh. How many thousands? 57,000. 57,000. 600. 621. 621. Then see the number 32 lakh 57,621. So we separating the periods, we use comma. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma. Comma is used to separate the period. It helps you reading and writing the numbers easily. So 32 lakhs 57,621. Okay. Next. I give some more examples for writing numbers, writing the number names. For example, first one 76542. How to read the numbers and how to write the numbers? First separate the periods. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here how many thousands are there? 76,000. How many ones are there? 542. So 542. Okay, then I given another example. First writing the numbers, we first separate the periods. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Then also count the periods. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Here how many lakhs are there? 3 lakhs. So write 3 lakh. 3 lakh. How many thousands are there? 8,000. 8,000. 8,491. 491. Did you understand, children? We go to the next one. See, first separate the periods by using comma. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So how many lakhs are there? 2 lakh. 2 lakh. How many thousands are there? 17,000. 17,000. 486. 86. Okay, we go for next topic. That is face value and place value. Face value and place value. Face value and place value. So what is place value? Face value means, face value is the value of the digit. For example, I given one number 32,521. Here what is the face value of 3? The face value of 3 is the digit itself. That is, the face value of 3 is, face value of 3 is 3. Okay. Next I give another example. So here, what is the face value of 7? The face value of 7 is the digit itself. That means 7. Face value of 7 is 7. Okay. Next, what is place value? Place value means the product of face value and the value of the place. That means, for example, consider this number. See, here what is the face value of 4? 4 is 4. What is the place value of 4? First write the 4. 4 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100. The product of value of the place. The value of the place is 100. Ones, tens, 100. 4 into 100, how much? 400. The place value of 4 is 400. Okay. Next, I show each digit place value. For example, 6. 6 is in which place? 1's place. So the place value is 6 1's are 6. Then consider 2. 2 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 2 is in tens place. So 2 into 10, 20. The place value of 2 is 20. Then 4 is in which place? 100 place. 4 into 100, 400. Next, 7 is in which place? Thousands place. So 7 into 1000, 7,000. The place value of 7 is 7,000. Then 9 is in which place? 10,000 place. So 9 into 10,000, 90,000. The place value of 9 is 90,000. Again 8. 8 is in which place? It is in lakhs place. So 8 into 1 lakh, 8 lakh. The place value of 8 is 8 lakhs. So this is the face value and place value. Okay children. Okay, today I give some exam homework problems. Homework. Write the following numbers. Write the following numbers in a place value chart. And give the place value of the underlined digit. Underlined digit. First one, okay children, do your homework. Thank you.